So serving your teacher, because he teaches you knowledge, your shaykh, is a sunnah which has been started by the Sahaba Ridwanullahi alayhim ajma'in. And this reminds me of a story of what Shaykh Wasiullah Abbas told me. Shaykh narrated to me that his shaykh, the great scholar, Al-Allāmatul Muhaddith, Nadir Ahmad Rahmani, rahimahullah ta'ala. The Shaykh Wasiullah was his personal scribe. He used to write for the Shaykh. And at the end of the Shaykh's life, Nadir Ahmad Rahmani, he was diagnosed with cancer. Either it was liver cancer or stomach cancer. And at the end of his life, the Shaykh became really sick. The normal trend in the madaris that we have in the subcontinent is that the shuyukh that you have there, they always have a student who is a khadim. That student is allocated to look after the needs of that sheikh. So he will go get the food, wash the plates, go do this job for the sheikh. Whatever his needs are, you always find, till this day, till now, 2022, you find that the students, some of the students put themselves forward due to the love that they have for the teacher. Preparing for the lesson, getting the books ready, whatever the reasons are, they're always with the sheikh, with that sheikh. So Shaykh Wasiullah was the khadim of Nadir Ahmad Rahmani. He had put himself forward to serve his teacher. And the time came that the sheikh was bedridden. He couldn't go and relieve himself. So Shaykh Wasiullah used to take him to the toilet, used to help him relieve himself and clean him. And what? Clean him. To me, Shaykh Wasiullah narrated this to me. He says, once I took the sheikh to relieve himself. And the sheikh was in a very bad state. And I had to really clean the sheikh, and I really cleaned the sheikh, and the sheikh was looking at me and crying. After I cleaned him, and I took him back to his place, his bed, his place of resting, he raised his hands. And he made dua for his student, Shaykh Wasiullah. And he made lots of du'as, and he said one dua amongst those dua was, "Oh Allah, make this boy a scholar of hadith of this ummah. And let the people and the students of knowledge come like sheep who will flock to him to come and learn from him." And Shaykh said to me, by Allah, I believe that this dua is mustajab. Because every time I sit in the haram and I see people flocking from all over the world, I believe that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accepted the dua of my Shaykh.
और अल्लाह का शुक्र है कि हरम के सामने मैं खुल करके कहता हूं कि आप कोई भी मसला पूछेंगे कुरान हदीस के अलावा, अगर नहीं मालूम है तो नहीं बताऊंगा, क्योंकि ये ऐसी जगह है जिस जगह पर हज़रत अब्दुल्लाह इब्न अब्बास बैठते थे, अता इब्न अबी रबाह बैठते थे। अगर हम ख़यानत करेंगे तो अल्लाह ताला हमें सालिम नहीं रखेगा। तो अल्लाह का शुक्र है कि बहरहाल सही बात बोलने की अल्लाह ताला ने तौफीक दी है। अल्लाह ताला सही सलामत रखे और अपने दीन की खिदमत ले।